Hey everyone, what's going on? It's good to see you all here again. Welcome everyone in today's video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So today's video is all about ethical hacking again. In our previous video, we have learned about what is ethical hacking and what's the types of hacking. So guys, today we will learn about skill required to become an ethical hacker. An ethical hacker should have in-depth knowledge about all the systems, networks, program codes, security measures, etc. etc. To perform hacking efficiently, some of these skills included, which I'm going to mention in my this video. So get your pen and paper, as I always said, and write on the paper every single point which I'm going to tell you. So my first point is knowledge of programming. If you guys are good programmer, you know how to write a program code, then believe me, you can become a hacker and you can hack anything. It is required for security professionals working in the field of applications, security and software development. It's called life cycle, SDLC. It's not STLC. STLC stands for software test life cycle. It's SDLC. Okay, software development life cycle. My number 2 point is scripting knowledge. You guys must have to be a good scripter, and you can write a good script, then things are more easier for you step by step. So this is required for professionals dealing with network-based attacks and host-based attacks. So my third point is networking skills. This skill is important because threat mostly originate from networks. So you should know about all of the devices present in the network, how they are connected, and how to identify if they are compromised. My fourth point is understanding of database. So guys, attacks are mostly targeted at database, knowledge of database management system such as SQL servers will help you to effectively inspect operations carried out in database. Knowledge of multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. The ability to work with different hacking tools available in the market, and you can search online as well. I'm going to give the link in the description. Knowledge of search engines and servers is a very key point. You guys must understand about the search engines and servers. If you don't know how to read the code, how to write the code, how to understand the engines and servers, you cannot actually go for further. So what's next actually? Ethical hacking, guys, is a challenge area of study as it requires mastery of everything that makes up a system or network, and this is why certifications have become popular among aspiring ethical hackers. So this video has helped you understand what is ethical hacking and the roles and responsibilities of an ethical hacker if you really want to become ethical hacker. Now, if you are planning to step into the world of cybersecurity, you can easily jump in with the relevant ethical hacking certifications. There's a lot of certifications. You can check Google, and you can see a lot of universities and cybersecurity companies. They are offering numerous ethical hacking certifications, and you can enroll yourself, and you can advance your career in cybersecurity in the following ways. So I'll give you some ways that you can follow if you would like to. And my first way is certified individuals know how to design, build and maintain a secure business environment. if you can demonstrate your knowledge in these areas, you will be invaluable when it comes to analyzing threats and devising effective solutions. Second thing is, guys, certified cybersecurity professionals have better salaries prospects compared to their non-certified peers. According to pay scale 2022, certified ethical hackers earn as average salary of 110k in the US, and as bad as compared to other countries as well. So certification validates your skills in the field of IT security and makes you more noticeable while applying for challenging job roles. With the growing incidence of security breaches, any organizations are investing hugely in IT security and prefer certified candidates for their organizations. So, guys, at startups need highly skilled professionals experienced in uh, repelling cyber threats. A certification can help you demonstrate your IT security skills to earn high paying jobs at startups. So, guys, in today's world, cybersecurity has become a trending topic of increasing interest among many businesses, and with malicious hackers finding newer ways to breach the defense of networks almost every day. Even though every hour I'm facing every day a new problems, and finally, ultimately, I'm getting the results of my efforts as well. So I want to share my all experience and my expertise with you guys. You must know the role of ethical hackers has become increasingly important across all sectors. So it has created a plethora of opportunities for cybersecurity professionals and has inspired individuals to take up ethical hacking as their careers. So, if you have ever considered the possibilities of getting into the cybersecurity domain or even just upskilling yourself, this is the perfect time to do so. And of course, the most efficient way of accomplishing this is by getting certified in ethical hacking. You must need a degree and a certification to call yourself a ethical hacker, and the best way to do that is to let uh, simple learn help you achieve it. Check them out, and I'll give the link in the description as well, or you can DM on my Instagram and join the fight for secure systems. So guys, in our next topic we'll talk about white hat hackers, black hat hackers, and script kiddies, and what's the difference between white and black hat hackers, and key vulnerabilities which ethical hackers check for, and types of hackers. Like I'll just break down white hat hackers versus black hat hackers and their roles and responsibilities. So guys, this is all about today's video. So we are gonna catch you in my next video, me and my team as well. Of course, my team is working behind these all videos for post-production, editing, audio, video quality, and everything. So see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.